So a little sneak peek here into what your life purpose toolbox looks like. So you come into this step-by-step space, guiding easily through my own personal soul awakening story, the difference between soul, wisdom, and mind fucks. And your soul connecting meditation to guide you deeper into your intuitive self, inner child wisdom, discover your soul purpose through astrology, which is fucking potent, and your astrological uniqueness, how to use that in your life purpose, your human design, how to manifest best depending on what type you are, how to tap into the wisdom of your body and using that, some feminine manifestation secrets, and how to open your channel abilities so you don't have to have everything under control. And then link to the Sisterhood Facebook group. Amazing.